How to turn on and turn off tags on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app and you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. In this way, you can see different options at the bottom like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. Just click on the profile that appear here and click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on the settings and the privacy here. This type of screen will appear here. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything, making mistakes. Click on the privacy here, and in this way you have to scroll this bar. Click on the mentions and tags. You can see at the top tags. You can turn it off by clicking on no one can be tagged on your videos on TikTok. If you have to click on everyone, in this way you can turn it on. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.